Hi, I'm William, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get started with WiggleDesk, how we can make it really easy to self-manage your hybrid working, allowing you to book desks to come into the office when you like. So the page that we're going to spend probably most of the time making bookings on is the quick bookings page, because as the name implies, it's fairly quick to make bookings, and most bookings you'll probably be making in just one click. So on this page, the main thing to consider is that you need to choose your date or your time that you want to come in, as well as the floor that you want. So by default, it will always choose tomorrow's date, but you can edit this. So if you want to come in on Tuesday, just click Tuesday. And if I wanted to come in for several days, I just choose until when, so Tuesday to Friday. That's the start and the end date. If I just want Tuesday, just click Tuesday. Just want Monday, just click Monday. Or if I wanted to come in today, I can choose today as well. So if I wanted to make the booking, I can choose the date, choose the floor, and by default it will show me an available desk. Now this is quite helpful because it also shows me who's coming in at the same time, and I can zoom in to any of these spaces, see the avatars or the pictures if you've got the pictures set up, and it will show you who is coming in and sat where. So I can see Amber's got desk 7 tomorrow, Laura's got desk 9, Pippi's got desk 4. Now I might be working with Pippi on a project. I might want to click desk 3 if I wanted to sit opposite her. So desk 3, the 7th at 9 o'clock until 5 o'clock for myself, confirm. And so with just one click, I can confirm my booking. Now if I wanted to book for somebody else, I can do that by going to the More drop-down option and choosing who I want to book for. So if I wanted to book for Amber, for example, type in her name and it will come up with her avatar. So I'm now booking for Amber. By default, again, it's chose me the same time that I chose from before, and it's choosing desk 2 available. So I'm happy with that. Click confirm, and that's booked for Amber. She'll get an email confirming that the booking has been made. And I can also filter by particular spaces. So let's say I wanted to have a desk which had wheelchair accessibility. So if you've got wheelchair accessible desks, you might have other things on your desk depending how your organization has set this up, like screens or monitors or standing desks or pods, meeting rooms, essentially anything that has been made bookable and has been added on as a tag to the desk, you'll be able to filter in here. So if I wanted to find all desks that are wheelchair accessible, now I could sort of hover over the desks until I find one, such as desk 8, or I can say only to choose those desks. So I choose accessible desk, and it then just drills down straight onto those desks that have wheelchair accessibility. For example, desk 8 or bench 3. Now bench 3 is already booked by William, so desk 8 is the one that's available for me. Click confirm, and that's booked. So this page essentially allows me to make the quick bookings. Now if I wanted to see all of the bookings that I have, I can go into the My Bookings page. So the My Bookings page will show me all of the bookings available to me, and by default it will just show me a list for the month that I'm currently in. So I can click into any of these bookings and it will show me some details about the booking. So if I go into this booking happening on August the 8th, it will show me where I'm sat on the floor, and I could move to a different bench or space, so I can click bench 4 for example, and I'll update my booking to that one, or I can delete it from here as well. So one of the things that you'd want to do quite early on is to customize your avatar. So you can either have these avatars that you can create for yourself, or you can upload your own image, and that's done on your My Profile page. So you can either have custom image, where you can upload any image file essentially in there, or you can choose an avatar. And the avatar essentially allows you to have many different combinations of clothing, skin color, face size, eyebrows, and mouth. And so that could be something that you can do on your profile page. Now, if you wanted to see a timeline view of who is coming in, when and where, you can see that on every individual floor. So I can see that on our buildings page, and I can choose the floor that I want to drill into. So the mixed use floor, for example. Now this will show me by default a real-time view for what's happening on this floor. And I can see here that William's in there, Pippi's coming in, Ben's coming in. And so that's sort of what's happening right now. And I can actually book straight from this floor by just clicking into the spaces and clicking find a time. But this timeline view down here is quite useful to be able to see, okay, who is coming in, when and where. So this will default to today's date just by this red line, and I can see, okay, William's coming in, Amber's coming in, Pippi, Ben, Amber. So if I wanted to, I could actually book straight from this floor here. So let's say I wanted to come in next Thursday. I can see desk 1 is available, so I can click straight from here and make a booking either for myself or someone else. Click confirm, the booking is made, and I'll get the email confirmation telling me. So that's pretty much it with getting started. So we've got the quick bookings page in here if you want to make a booking in 1 or 2 clicks. The My Bookings page will show you all of your upcoming and past bookings, and the Buildings page has that nice real-time floor map and the timeline as well to be able to see what's happening on the floor. Thanks for watching.